morning, Steve Fried with the morning grain comments. Markets overnight a little bit lower. Beans down about 6 cents, corn down about a penny, and wheat now has kind of rallied to the point where it's almost a penny higher in Chicago. Stocks are higher, the dollar is lower, crude's down sharply after Israel had some controlled attacks on Iran military targets and not any of the like refinery or nuclear power. So some people feel that whatever phase we're in as far as Israeli and Middle East tension, that phase might be over for now, depending upon how Iran answers back. The gold market also seeing a little bit of profit taking. And I think in the grains, what we're doing is maybe trying to establish a trading range, a pretty wide one in the beans, because there's a lot of bears out there looking at Brazil crop conditions favorable and a record crop potential on 169 million tons. So starting in February, those beans will start to be available to the marketplace. China continues to be a slow buyer of U.S. beans and probably won't take as much from the U.S. as what maybe the USDA is thinking, which adds to the carryout and reduces our total exports. Over in the corn, I think the cash market domestically is on the defensive because of low water and logistics problems. Farmers have a lot of grain stored, some of it on the ground. We're probably in some kind of 390, 420, maybe 430 trading range, and the farmers should take advantage of any rally close to the upper end of the trading range to sell some of that stored grain for the winter. U.S. corn export prices have rallied to the point where now we're above Ukraine and Brazil, which might slow some of the new export sales. Over in the wheat market, Russian prices continue to drop below what is considered their floor. We're still watching pretty closely to see if there's any new export business, but the wheat market here in the U.S. May be also in trading range between nearby Chicago $5.50 to $6, and we'll see if we can stay in that range for quite a while. The Southern Plains is expected to see some much-needed rains over Oklahoma, Kansas, and the Texas Panhandle. Those rains will stretch up into parts of the western Corn Belt and the western part of the eastern Corn Belt, adding to soils there. The soybean harvest here in the U.S. is almost done. Corn harvest probably somewhere around 80% done. Down in South America, soybean plantings are probably close to 30% done, and conditions remain favorable.